Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time someone likes your photo on Instagram, you're not alone. Those constant vibrations can be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or just want some peace and quiet. In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to turn off vibration for likes on Instagram, completely updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, begin by opening your phone settings. This is where all the main control options for your apps and notifications are found. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists every app installed on your device, so find and select Instagram. Once you're inside Instagram's app settings, tap on notifications. This is where you can manage everything related to alerts, sounds, and vibrations that come from the app. Now, tap on notification categories. Instagram separates different types of alerts here, so you can fine-tune exactly which ones get your attention and how. From the list that appears, find and tap on likes. This specific option controls how your phone reacts every time someone taps that heart on your post. Finally, look for the vibrate switch and toggle it off. When you do this, Instagram will stop sending vibration alerts for likes, but you'll still see the notifications appear quietly on your screen. And that's it. No more buzzing every time a like rolls in. This small change can make a big difference, helping you keep your phone calm while still staying up to date with the activity on your posts. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to adjust other notification settings too. You can choose which alerts you actually want to feel or hear and turn the rest off for a more peaceful experience. Thanks for watching.